This umami seasoning is a delicious way to add a medicinal boost to your savory foods. You'll need 1/4 cup shiitake powder, 2 tablespoons parsley powder, 2 teaspoons thyme powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Instructions: combine the powders and salt together and mix well. Store them in a spice container. Sprinkle on soups, meats, veggies, and even popcorn. This would also make a fun gift for your foodie friends. For optimal flavor, make this in small batches and use within 6 months.